Hello! In this video I unbox multifunctional inkjet 6-ink PIXMA printer and show the dimensions and waist after unboxing. I cover the following in the video, and for the detailed product review check the video in the upper right corner of the screen. These models may not be available in all countries and may have different names in different regions. I display online manuals of the product where you find more information on functions. First, I display the dimensions and waist. Here is the box of the product with dimensions on the screen. And here are the product dimensions based on specs, with trays retracted and extended. When the paper is inserted, some space in the height is needed. Compared to predecessor model for which you find unboxing, the waist after unboxing is mostly only molded paper. Let's see quickly what is in the box after unboxing. You find the device, power cable and inks, setup instructions, additional leaflets for media and safety instructions, and warranty card. In the next 3 minutes you can watch step-by-step unboxing with some additional information. There is no hard copy manuals. The QR code you scan using mobile and you get to the setup instructions. You find my detailed setup tutorial in the next video about this model. Here is the poster artist leaflet with the link to web-based software. No installation is needed as it runs on the web page using Canon ID login. The poster artist is software for Canon printers with useful and practical printable materials. You may join the Canon Club for additional benefits. Different media can be used with PIXMA printers and also mobile apps. Creative Park is another free app with interesting content. Another one you can find in the upper right corner. Easy Photo Print Editor is a useful tool for photo print and can be installed as an app or as a software. The PIXMA TS8000 series models have exclusive features, and you can find them in my video in the upper right corner of the screen. So here is what was in the box. I remove all the orange materials from the printer to be ready for next video, which is setup, and that would be all in this video. Feel free to subscribe to support my channel so I can create more content in the future. Find more about PIXMA printers in the playlist on my channel. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye.